aligning their operations with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. However, the integration of AI in SMT is not without its ethical considerations. Job displacement in traditional manufacturing roles has been a concern. Machines guided by AI have taken over tasks once performed by humans. This transition, while inevitable in the march of progress, brings with it a responsibility. The company, recognizing this, has taken steps to retrain displaced workers, providing them with the skills needed in this new AI-driven landscape. This is a vital consideration for all companies looking to integrate AI, ensuring that progress does not leave anyone behind. In addition, the company has put in place measures to ensure the ethical use of AI. This includes transparency in decision-making processes, accountability for AI actions, and privacy protections for data used in AI systems. This case study illuminates the profound societal implications of AI in SMT, both positive and challenging. It reminds us that while AI holds enormous potential for improving efficiency and sustainability, it also brings with it new responsibilities and considerations. It's a brave new world out there, and we're just beginning to navigate it. Now that we've witnessed the societal repercussions of AI and SMT, what does the future hold? As we move forward, AI is poised to further revolutionize the surface mount technology sector. Imagine intelligent machines that not only assemble electronic components, but can also predict and rectify errors in real time. Imagine a world where the entire production line is automated, boosting efficiency and reducing waste to a bare minimum. But along with these exciting possibilities, we must also remember the need for regulatory frameworks. These frameworks will ensure that ethical considerations are not overlooked as we integrate more AI into our manufacturing processes. And let's not forget the importance of adaptability and continuous learning in the manufacturing industry. As AI continues to evolve, so must we. It's a race to keep up with the advancements, a race where the prize is a more efficient, sustainable future. The fusion of AI and SMT signifies a societal shift towards a sustainable and technologically advanced future. But it's a journey that requires thoughtful navigation.